everyone, welcome to music lesson number 8, and we're going to be talking about values of musical notes, and we're going to be using creepy crawlies to help us, insects and creepy crawlies. So our first musical note is this one. And that is called a crotchet, and it's worth 1 beat. And we're going to use this creepy crawly to help us, a B. So these are quavers, and they are played a little bit faster than our crotchet, because 2 of these are worth 1 of these in music. And we've got some notes that are played even faster than our quavers, and they are semi-quavers. See, they've got the double bar at the top there to show that they're played even faster than our quavers. So I'll just go through those again. So that's our crotchet, and these are our quavers, and 2 of these are worth 1 crotchet. And we've got our semi-quavers with the double bar at the top joined together, and they are worth 2 quavers, and also 4 of these equal 1 crotchet. A little bit confusing, but we are going to make that simple for you by using our creepy crawlies. So our B is going to tell us how to play a crotchet, B, and our spider is going to show us how to play 2 quavers together, spider, and our caterpillar is going to show us how to play our semi-quavers. Okay, and we're going to be using one of Mrs. Mills's drums to help us tap out the rhythm of the notes and also show how long the notes are. Okay, or if you haven't got a drum, just tap out with your hands on your knees. Okay, so we're going to put all those together and make them into a musical phrase, which looks like this. Let me just show that for you. Can you see? So we are going to start off with the spider, 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 and then caterpillar, and then end with B. Okay, so it's spider, spider, caterpillar, bee. Okay, are we ready? Okay, we're going to start off playing them separately. So just have a little practice with spider, spider, spider. Okay, and now we're going to just practice caterpillar a few times. Caterpillar, caterpillar, caterpillar. And B, which is just 1 note, B, B. Okay, so we're going to now put all those together. And as I said, if you haven't got a drum, then please clap your hands on your knees. So we're going to start off with spider, and we're going to say spider twice, and then 1 caterpillar and 1 bee. And And let's remember that these are quavers with the 1 bar, and these are semi-quavers with the 2 bars at the top, and at the bottom we've got our crotchet, which is just 1 note, but it's also the same in length as 4 semi-quavers or 2 quavers, okay? So let's start with the spider, or quavers and the spider. Ready, and spider, spider, caterpillar bee. Spider, spider, caterpillar bee. And again, spider, spider, caterpillar bee. Spider, spider, caterpillar bee. Fantastic. Now we're going to put a tune to that, and it might be nice to sing the tune to the Grand Old Duke of York while we are playing this musical phrase. Okay, so I'll show you how that goes. So we start off with spider again, and this is your note, spider. Okay, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Spider, spider, caterpillar bee. Spider, spider, caterpillar bee. Spider, spider, caterpillar bee. Spider, spider, caterpillar bee. And again. Spider, spider, caterpillar bee. Spider, spider, caterpillar bee. Spider, spider, caterpillar bee. Spider, spider, caterpillar bee. Let's do that one more time. After 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Spider, spider, caterpillar bee. Spider, spider, caterpillar bee. Spider, spider, caterpillar bee. Spider, spider, caterpillar bee. Lovely. Okay. And I'll just remind you of the names of those notes. So we've got quavers here, quaver, quaver, and then we've got semi-quavers and a crotchet. Okay, now what I'd like to do is teach you a song about another creepy crawly. And I think that only myself and Miss Davis might remember this song because it was in a very famous movie when we were little girls called Hans Christian Andersen. Now, Hans Christian Andersen was a writer of children's books, lived a long time ago, and he wrote very famous books like The Little Mermaid and The Ugly Duckling, and this was one of the songs that was in a movie about him, and it's called Inchworm. Can you see the little inchworm there? Inchworm, inchworm, measuring the marigolds, and a marigold is this beautiful orangey yellow flower here. And the inchworm moves along the plant like that. So can you do that with your finger? Like you're measuring a plant? Yes? Pretending your finger is an inchworm. Okay, and I'll just show you the words to the song. And the words are: inchworm, inchworm, measuring the marigolds. You and your arithmetic will probably go far. Inchworm, inchworm, measuring the marigolds. Seems to me you'd stop and see how beautiful they are. Because an inchworm is always busy. He doesn't have time to stop and see how beautiful things are. But we're going to start off doing some arithmetic. Okay, so we're going to say 2 and 2 is 4. 4 and 4 is 8. 8 and 8 is 16. 16 and 16 is 32. Some big numbers there. So we're going to sing it now. So we start the song with just singing those number sentences. And they go like this. 2 and 2 is 4. 4 and 4 is 8. 8 and 8 is 16. 16 and 16 is 32. Can we sing that again? 2 and 2 is 4. 4 and 4 is 8. 8 and 8 is 16. 16 and 16 is 32. And that's our little introduction to this lovely song, which goes, Inchworm, inchworm, measuring the marigolds, you and your arithmetic will probably go far. Inchworm, inchworm, measuring the marigolds, seems to me you'd stop and see how beautiful they are. Okay, I'll just sing that again for you, and then we'll sing the whole thing with our arithmetic at the beginning and verse 1 and verse 2. Okay, I'll go through the tune again with you. Inchworm, inchworm, measuring the marigolds, you and your arithmetic will probably go far. Inchworm, inchworm, measuring the marigolds, seems to me you'd stop and see how beautiful they are. Okay, now we're going to start off, we'll sing this whole song all the way through with our little bit of arithmetic at the beginning. Ready? 2 and 2 is 4. 4 and 4 is 8. 8 and 8 is 16. 16 and 16 is 32. Inchworm, inchworm, measuring the marigolds, you and your arithmetic will probably go far. Inchworm, inchworm, measuring the marigolds, seems to me you'd stop and see how beautiful they are. And let's finish off with our arithmetic again. 2 and 2 is 4. 4 and 4 is 8. 8 and 8 is 16. 16 and 16 is 32. I hope you enjoyed that. So you might like to ask the adult in the class if they can stay on YouTube and let you watch a fun Disney song called The Ugly Bug Ball. Okay, so that's Disney's The Ugly Bug Ball. And I will see you for some more creepy crawly songs in the next lesson. Bye.